How do we conduct random inspections according to AQL 2.5? 3 principles of inspection. 1. Strictly follow inspection process. Adhere to the inspection process outlined below, ensuring each step is followed meticulously. 2. Single detail inspection. Focus on inspecting one detail at a time to maintain thoroughness and accuracy. 3. Hands, eyes, thoughts. Ensure that inspectors concentrate fully on the task at hand, focusing on what they are touching, observing, and thinking about. Pitch the tent. Check the fitting of tent poles and tent body. Go around the tent, see if all sides are perfect without sag. Verify correct number of pole hooks. Inspect sewing of each pole hook. Apply pressure to test seam fastness. Verify correct sewing of corner accessories. Test seam fastness. Inspect all fabrics for stains, tears, or damage. Check for loose threads or unraveling stitches. Unzip the door with one hand to test zipper smoothness. Pull every loop to inspect quantity, placement, and seam fastness. Still pull the loops to inspect quantity, placement, and seam fastness. Test zipper smoothness and also fabric situation. Inspect each corners, taping and floor taping. Make sure no loose thread or bubbles under the tape. Reverse the fly and inspect stitching lines and taping. Rubbing tape to inspect the sealing fastness. Set up the fly to ensure it fits poles and inner tent perfectly without sagging. Inspect all stitching, test loops, guy out, and peg points. Verify no missing or incorrect parts. Inspect each part of fabric of fly. Inspect doors of fly along the zipper. And also all the small parts.